How's it going everyone? My name is Neon and I'm back with another video on the channel. In today's video I'm going to be getting my MG ZR ready for a car show next month. It's sadly sitting and rotting away in a car park at the moment. I do know that right now it's just the battery that's dead. I tried charging it, it won't hold a charge unfortunately, but I put the battery from the Abarth into it and it literally started up straight away. But I do have some misfiring problems with the MG at the moment. It might have to go to the car show like that. It's static anyway, so nobody's gonna know. Alright, so let's go. Let's go over to the MG and see what's up with it. Right, I know a lot of people might hate me for this, but yeah, that's the ZR keys. Here she is, the beauty. She's just been sat there. She needs a wash. She's got bird shit on the window. It's so sad. And whatever that is on the wheels, what the heck is that, man? What the heck is that? The wheels need a clean though, the car does need a clean. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to open the bonnet. Oh man, I miss driving the MG so much. Speaking of which, a lot's actually changed on the ZR since you last seen it on this channel. Believe it or not, that's actually scratched there. I don't know if you can see on the camera. Yeah, there's some scratches over here and somebody done this. It's all scratched up here as well, but you can't really see it, which is, I mean, it's noticeable in person, but not until you notice it. Oh, there we go. Right. A lot has changed with the ZR though. It's had a full paint job, a full respray. That's why I was annoyed about, you know, the scratches there. But I mean, and the little scratches that are all over it. But that happens. I mean, some people just love to ruin things. I mean, I've done nothing but look after it. So the plan is to get this crappy old Halfords battery out and go to Halfords and get another one, because it's actually under warranty. I can't be bothered paying for another one because, I mean, I'm not using the car much anymore. It's kind of just for car shows and working on this project now. This was my project car and my daily, but now it's just my project car for car shows. Okay, back to the Abarth to get the tool bag out of the back, out of my small little car. Don't mind all the monster in the back here, okay? I also have water, that makes me healthy. But we got the tool bag and it does need a clean back there, I'm not gonna lie. It's quite disgusting. And oh my god, I'm sorry, I need to keep these keys out the way. I love this little feature on the Abarth. It's like this little hat thing that you can pull and you just go like that and it shuts the boot. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it was probably stupid of me bringing the whole bag here, but I mean, so what? Yeah, I mean, this wasn't necessary. I should have just brought the spanner, eh? But I mean, oh well, job's done now, battery's out, let's go. Mate, this is so heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh Jesus. I just want to put it out there, I'm not a mechanic by the way, so anything you're seeing right now, I have no idea what I'm doing, to be completely honest with you. I mean, my hands are a bit dirty now. Does that mean I qualify as a mechanic? Right, the battery and the tool bag is back in the car. And you know when I was walking, that hurt. You know when I was walking to the car again, I noticed this and I thought it was a scratch, but it's not. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Yeah, it does pick it up. It's not, it's just, that's good. Thank God for that. I forgot to shut the bonnet of the ZR. Oh, she just needs a good wash. But the people that done the paint job are so bad. Look, there's like a patch in the paint here. Like it's like reacted under the paint. Not taking it back, I had so many issues with that paint place, to be honest. That body shop had done the full respray. My spoilers are also a bit loose, my spoiler. And they've also dented it. They put the wrong screws in it and it's dented, so that's a project for another time. Oh, and the rust is coming back already on the arches a little bit. Well, oh, that's a spider's web. The rust has came back here. I don't know if you can really see it, but I mean, it's starting to come back the tiniest little bit, which is annoying. On a real note though, I genuinely miss this car so much. Ah, Betsy. If anyone doesn't know her name's Betsy, that's the name of the car. Hello. I also have the spoiler in the back seats. I've got another spoiler. I got an older one for these cars and I want to get it painted and shoved on the car because the one's got a dent in it. And we're back in the Abarth again, finally. Now I want to check what time it is on my phone real quick. So it's 7:04. Halfords opened at 8. And we're going to go over there and see if we can get our warranty sorted with the battery. And I'm a bit jittery, so if the camera goes like this, I am very, very sorry. I do not do this type of thing where I hold cameras and record. There it is, juttering again, man. Or maybe it's just because I've had too much sugar. Let's see. Oh, well that was boring, wasn't it? Looks like I'm heading to McDonald's for a coffee because I am very tired, so I'm gonna hop to McDonald's and get a nice coffee, which, by the way, you'll see this, they put too much ice in them. They fill them with ice and put hardly any coffee in it, and I really can't be arsed with it. Alrighty everyone, let's go. Yeah. I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, right? But instead of actually, like, McDonald's is literally right there. If it'll hurry up and focus. McDonald's is literally right there, but I'm stopping outside of McDonald's. I'm gonna put my order in here first and then go pick it up at the drive-thru. Yeah, okay, I get a lot of McDonald's. Look at my points. I don't want to talk about that's actually, to be fair, it doesn't take that much to get that amount of points if you save them up. I don't care what people say. I love my McDonald's in the morning. I love McDonald's in general. It's a good tip. Order McDonald's through here, pick it up at the drive-thru if you're driving, of course, and it's just so much better because you get your points and you also don't have to deal with talking and doing your order. I can tell you something, oh, that is banging. How horrendous is that? It's literally all ice, as I was saying. Well, that's super helpful, thanks Halfords. So I've just been in, dropped the battery off, and they said to me, there's certain things on their warranties, if it says on it, like, replace it as if it's broken, and it won't work and it won't hold a charge, they don't replace it even though it's under warranty. They said it only gets replaced if it has something like dead cells for the manufacturer or something like that. I have no idea, but it looks like I'm gonna have to buy a new battery because that's just what it's looking like. I brought the battery in, I've left it with them. They said they're gonna try and charge it and let me know tomorrow, but I tried charging it, I tried jump starting the ZR, I tried everything, it just did not work. So, looks like I have to buy a new battery. It's sad, I know.